What's up, guys? Welcome back to Amazing RC. So I got this contraption out here. It started as an HSP touring car, and it's still got the stock gearing in its stock motor. I threw a 3S LiPo on it, and I threw these larger than normal. These are the front wheels to a Trexas Bandit, so these are the Anacondas, and threw them all the way around. And I guess the whole logic is, the larger the circumference of the wheel should be, the faster you should go, as long as the battery, motor, and gearing is all in sync. So let's see if we're still not way over geared. This will be our first test. Let's give it a shot, guys. Well, I don't know if I hit top speed or not, but I can already tell that the car's moving really good. So we're going to take another test pull here, and we're going to close it out and head back to the shop.